Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Strava. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and simply search for Strava app. Once you are here, you have to install this Strava app on your device. So wait until this app has been successfully installed on your device here. Once you have successfully installed, just go and tap on open option here and you can join it for free, or if you have already an account, just go for the login here, and after that you can continue with your email or Google account. You can select your platform here according to your choice. After that you have to accept here and follow the on screen instructions and go for the OK option and choose your gender, and you have to do all these things here. Tap on the continue option, go for the app, and you can also cross that. And so here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Strava account, and on the bottom you can see your profile as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create an account on Strava. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.